Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today we're going to have another entry in our wide world of food. So I'm probably going to mispronounce it, but that's how I roll. Carne Vinha. If you ask yourself, what the hell does that mean? It is pork marinated in wine and garlic. So, without further ado, let's get it going. I want to have this on Saturday. Today's Tuesday. I got to get it marinating today. 4 entire days of marinating this incredible stuff we're about to make. All right, so let's get this marinade going. First of all, we got a little bit of knife work to do. Here I have what's about 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano and fresh thyme. I need to get these minced using my badass Dow Strong Japanese steak knife. 10.25 inches it is. There's a link down below if you like it. I like it. All right, I'm happy with that mincing into our Ziploc bag. Also, we need roughly 10 cloves of garlic minced. I say roughly because if you're a frequent viewer of the Galley of the Sun, you can bet your ass there's more than 10 cloves here right now. All right, I said a few amounts, my friends. I used to say, as always, down in the description section are all the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions. But alas, we now have our own website. So for the full recipe, check it out, galleyofthesun.com. There will be a link to take you right to this recipe down below in the description section. So the garlic cloves go into the bag. Next thing we're going to do is toast us some seeds. Got my burner back there on medium. Here in my skillet, I'm going to add some black peppercorns, some coriander seed. I'm not going to do that until the plastic's off though. Some cumin seed and some mustard seed. Be very careful at the store. Make sure you're using mustard seed. Don't buy mustard gas. It's a whole different animal if you do that. You don't want that.
Obviously.
All right, so I'm going to toast these until they become fragrant. It's going to take about a minute. You want to keep them moving around. Don't want to burn them. It's a lot of seeds to burn. Hey, it makes a lot less noise if you just hold it above the fire a little bit. Probably better on your pan too. I'm happy with that. It's fragrant, so into the bag goes those. 6 bay leaves, coarse sea salt, black pepper, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of red wine vinegar, and then 1.5 cups of your favorite red wine. I have some 3-fingered Jack here. 1.5 cups into the bag. Now we take said bag and we shake the bejesus out of it. Get this all mixed up. Make sure it's sealed. That red wine will stain, but you'll smell good. Now goes our 3 pounds of country-style pork ribs. As you seal it up, press out all the air. Make sure your pork is good and covered. And then, as I said, this is going in the fridge for 4 days. So each day, I'm going to take this out and agitate it. Make sure it's all mixed up. So we'll see you in 4 days when it's time to do the next steps. See you then. All right, here we are on Saturday, and I'll tell you the truth. Today I've edited a video. I have filmed 4 different videos, and I give no F's if I can pronounce this anymore, and I didn't look it up. So I'm just going to call this pork marinated in garlic and red wine. So now it's time to put it on the grill. It's been marinating for 4 days. It looks purple. It smells incredible. The marinade I reserved, it is simmering on my stove right now. So let's get these on. We're going to cook these till they hit about 165, and then we're going to take them inside and get some judgment. So let's get this going. Look at the deep purple color of those. This is going to be amazing. As long as you didn't use Mad Dog as your wine of choice, you're probably good to go. Nothing against Mad Dog. It's got its purposes. I'm gonna get these grilled up. We'll give you a couple of gratuitous meat shots. And yeah, we'll see you inside when it's time to get this judged. We'll see you there. The pork is off the grill. The director's hungry. It is time for judgment. Four days of marinating in red wine and vinegar. Oh no, garlic. Red wine and garlic. What say you, director?
You really get the red wine flavor. Garlic's kind of hit or miss. Very good though.
Okay, that's the question. Very good.
Some of the reduction on it. Very good.
All right, there we go. Hey, it was worth the 4 days of effort. So, I don't remember how to pronounce it, but pork marinated in red wine and vinegar.
Wrong.
Pork marinated in red wine and garlic. Give it a try. Hey, thank you so much for joining us. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.